How to change payment method in Doordash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can change payment method in Doordash. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in via the Doordash application or through the web browser. So here I will just open up my browser, then log in via the website. For that I will open up Google and then I will just search for Doordash and then tap on the first link from the interface. That's gonna take me to the official website where you have to log in into your account. So make sure that you're signed in. Once you're signed in, tap on the menu icon at the top left, and once you're on the menu bar, there you'll have an option as a payment. So tap on payment. That's gonna take you to the payment piece. Once you're here, now you can add a new payment method that can be your credit debit card, PayPal, or Afterpay. You could also add existing payment details, and if you have already added your payment method, you could remove your old card that you no longer use and add a new payment method to change your payment method. Once you have changed your payment method or added your new payment method, make sure that you set it as your default if you want it to be used for future orders. So that's it. That's how you can change payment method in Doordash, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.